Evaluate integral 0 to 1 dx by x square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equals to. So in this integral, we can see that the lower limit is 0 while the upper limit is 1, and the inside the integral we have the function as 1 by x square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2. So the given problem, first we will assume it as I, such that I is equals to 0 to 1. 1 by, we can write it as x square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 into dx. Now, in order to evaluate the problem, we will assume that x is equals to tan theta. So that we will write x square plus 1, that is equals to, we will write it as tan square theta plus 1. We will write it as secant square theta. Now, x square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equals to, we will write it as secant square theta whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. We will get it as secant cube theta. Now we will take the upper limit, that is t is equals to, x is equals to tan theta. Then we will write theta is equals to tan inverse of x. In the place of x, we will substitute 1. That is tan inverse of 1. It makes the value as how much? Pi by 4. Now coming to the lower limit, that is x is equals to tan theta. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of x. In the place of x, we will substitute 0. Tan inverse of 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, I can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 1 by x square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 is nothing but secant cube theta into dx. Now, in order to get the value of dx, we will differentiate on both sides. And then we will get a dx is equals to secant square theta into d theta. So we will write it as a secant square theta into d theta. Secant square and secant will get cancelled. 0 to pi by 4. 1 by secant theta into d theta. Then we will write it as I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. 1 by secant theta is known as cos theta. And integral cos theta is nothing but sin theta. The limits are 0 to pi by 4. Now we will substitute the upper limit, that is sin of pi by 4 minus, substitute the lower limit, that is sin 0. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin 0 is 0. That is equals to 1 by root 2.